Here we go.
I can only see you on the monitor because when I look at it, it's just a blur.
Yeah.
Is that you then, Rob?
It is me there, sir.
It's
yes.
me. Oh, I'm here as well. Would you believe? Someone's holding the camera.
Hello. It's Rob here. And yes, I've got Mark on the camera.
Hi guys.
Other way round this time.
Yeah.
And I've just ordered myself this, the Tamiya Fighter NXGEN.
They can read, you know, Rob.
Well, yeah,
They can see
I can't upside down. It's on the DTO4
It
chassis.
is.
So I thought, oh, I haven't got one of them.
No,
And
no,
it was
mate.
relatively cheap,
Ish.
under 120 quid.
Without the SC, Rob.
Without the ESC, yes.
Don't even mention that, mate.
No. So yeah, so I've ordered it. Obviously, bull races with it.
Gotta have your ball races, and your ball races. That's
So-
the ball races.
Yes.
Peter. Hey,
Ball
hey.
bearings. Ooh.
Ball bands, ball bottoms.
Yes. So, let's get it out of the box, dude.
Right, let's do it. I hope it is tight, Rob. Tight to the better, mate. No, that was quite sloppy, actually.
It was.
There you go. Woo, look at that. It's even got one of those separator things.
Oh, it does, yeah.
DTO for
Cool.
posh,
Yeah.
poshness,
Right.
and a bag of bits. That don't
Bag of
come,
bearings
that
and
don't come with
servo.
it, does it?
No. So, we won't go into that too. Hopefully it won't be too long. I don't think I'm going to get everything out.
Well, everyone knows what ball bearings are,
Yeah,
don't they?
they do.
Come on then, do
Right,
something.
so,
White, hard
body.
plasticky bits.
by the looks of that.
Yeah.
So, that was a surprise. I thought it would have been polycarbonate, but hey, there we go.
Are you going to paint it, dude?
I might do, see if I've got any paint. I think I've got some TS paint, but I can't remember what colours.
Yeah, don't forget, guys, you need TS paint for this.
Yeah.
Or any automotive paint will
Yes.
do.
Driver figure with a big head.
Big head. It's a very big head. Very
Big
animal.
hands.
Very. Oh, well.
Steering wheel.
Coolio.
Stuff. I'm assuming some of this is the chassis.
Looks a bit roll cagey, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I can't see through this monitor anyway.
No, I think that's the chassis.
The chassis. Not the chassis, Rob.
Or even the chassis.
Even a chassis.
Wheels.
Wheels, white
5 star, whatever they're called, I can never remember.
Dish.
That's the ones.
Dish. Basic
All
Tamiya
right.
Fair.
There's the chassis.
No, so that was it, like all the frame then, the frame for the buggy. Because it's like a poor man's BBX, this, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Because we don't like the BBX, but it's too much money,
Yeah,
isn't it, Rob?
it is, yeah.
Maybe one day.
Yes, maybe. Steering
yeah.
stuff.
Can see that, yeah. What else we got?
Other stuff. Probably shock mounts.
towers, yeah. He's throwing them. He's flying through these guys.
Axles.
Axles,
Yeah.
axles,
Dog bones.
drive shafts,
it's-
output shafts.
3-wheel drive, isn't it? And
3-wheel drive.
yeah, differential.
That's not a differential.
Well,
Gearbox.
Gearbox diff, who cares?
Gearbox covers. Is
And
that
the
right?
obligatory-
And come on, dude. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yes.
What do you reckon,
What
dude?
a lovely sniff.
Is that? Look, can I have a go?
You
It's
can.
not fair. Okay. Ooh, very pungent, Rob.
it is,
Very
isn't
pungent.
it?
I like them. Ooh. I've got a box to open in a bit, and we can smell those as well. Yeah. For now, stop laughing, dude. Oh, he's got the suspension arms.
Upper and lower arms, yes.
Wishbones,
Airarms,
wishbones. Not what do they call them? Aeons? Because they're
I don't
the
know.
shape of an A now. They're wishbones.
Yeah.
So all old geezers, aren't they?
They are. Oh,
And more.
and more
wishbones.
ones. So those must be upper, front and back, and they're lower, front and back, maybe.
I don't know.
And
Can't
then-
see for his monitor. I keep telling you. He's ripping it open, guys. He's ripping it. Ooh, quite a big bag of stuff, isn't it? That.
Yeah. Right.
What's he got here then?
So we've got parts bags, A, C.
Oh, he's not got in order. What's the matter with you, dude?
Can't find them.
Your OCD's gone out
A,
the
B,
window.
and C. And that's it.
Just the
Wow,
three.
just the 3 bags.
Obviously, so yeah, we'll
And then
go through
shocks.
all parts in A first and then B and then
Yeah,
usually
hopefully.
in the manual.
And
Can't see anything,
spanners,
you're going too fast, Rob. What's that?
ball joints and stuff.
Ball joints, that's for
Yeah.
Pete Wiley again. Ball ends.
Yeah.
Ball ends.
Shock stuff.
Oh, are they oil shocks?
I think they are, yeah. Yes,
Because it
definitely.
sounded detail-free shocks,
Yeah.
I think, Rob. Did you get shock oil as well?
Gears for the differential.
Yeah, that's the diff, Rob, not those black plastic things.
That's the diff housing. And the servo horn.
Servo saver.
And the torque tune motor.
Talkie tuned it.
Cool.
Not bad.
And let's just have a quick check. Oh, mate,
What?
they've cocked up.
What?
I've got 2 wibbly wobblies.
Double wibbly wobblies. I've never seen that before.
No.
You are a lucky young lad, aren't you? You lucky chap, you. Look at that. That's tickled in that. He's laughing like a cavalier.
Right, quick. Yeah.
User manual.
User manual is in parts bag
English.
order. Yeah. And Japanese.
Yeah.
So there we go. I'm not going to go through it. We've been through all.
We love those manuals, don't we?
yeah.
Yeah, they're great. Do you know what? I think this is probably going to take a bit more building than like the DTO3
Yeah.
and DTO2 because you've got all them cagey bits, haven't you?
Yeah.
And all loads of bits of plastic for the body.
Yeah. And 2 different colour schemes.
Colourways.
on
I
the
definitely think you should spray it,
stickers.
Rob. Don't do it white.
Oh no, no.
You normally don't do you?
I
Normally
don't know.
So
And to be honest, if I'd have realised it was plastic and not polycarbonate,
oh,
I probably would have had a look
yeah, at some paint.
at some paint.
Well, we can go to
But
a shop, can't
we could do, yeah, but like I say, I'm sure I've got some tins.
We'll go and
in
have a
the
look.
shed.
We'll go and have
We
a look.
will.
Right
So-
then. Rest of that talking. Look, an empty box, guys. That's
Yeah,
really interesting.
that's
isn't
it.
There's all the stuff. Look, so there's quite a bit in
I mean,
these
it's-
kits, mate. To be fair,
Yeah, I reckon it's going to take me ages gluing that together and
painting his face and all that.
yeah,
Yeah. You know, give you something to do, Rob, with your old lads.
yes. Where is his
Your
face?
your 2 wibbly wobblies.
Where's his face?
You have to stick his face on. That's it, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
There's his face. Look, there it
it's
is.
upside down.
There's a little quiff.
Yeah.
Oh dear. What are they
Right.
thinking of?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yes.
happen.
With that,
Well, I enjoyed it, Rob.
on me. I hope you've enjoyed it back at home.
And
All of that.
yeah, you'll enjoy building it and all.
Yeah, I am. I might not video it, but I might do because
You should, Rob. People are dying to see your videos again. Oh, come on, dude.
Right. Anyway.
I know Uncle Bob's waiting. He's desperate for you to do a new
I
video.
know.
Well, we've just done this one. Hi, Bob. This
Hello,
one's
Bob.
for you, mate.
Right. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.